Other names for flank steak include London broil, which is actually a different cut. But on the heels of one of our last videos where we did London broil, today's show, we're going to be doing a marinated flank steak. Stay tuned. Like I said, on today's show, we're going to be doing a flank steak. A flank steak comes from the abdomen muscle of the cow, right behind the chest. A lot of people say it's a little bit chewier. In my experience, you have to make flank steak medium rare. That's the only option in my book. If you're a well-done type person, this probably isn't going to be the jam for you. I love my flank steak marinated, whether it be a Worcestershire garlic marinade. Today we're using TD's Brew and Barbecue Southern Mustard. I absolutely love this. I've done this before. So we marinated in a mustard sauce, basically. I'm gonna take you inside right now. We're gonna throw back to Babe. This was actually filmed yesterday when we marinated. This has been marinating for 24 hours. All right, let's jump into Babe, and then we'll jump back out here, and I'll talk about today's cook.
We are going to marinate it in this delicious TD's Brew and Barbecue Southern Mustard. So a flank steak is very good in this. Hold on. It is so good. It's like a honey mustard with horseradish. It is very delicious. So we're gonna let this go for a little bit, and then we'll see you when we come back.
All right, so our steak has been marinating for 24 hours. Today we're going to be doing it nice and simple. It's a weeknight. I just want to make a nice little steak dinner rice for the family. Well, I'm going to show you a couple new hot sauces and barbecue sauces that we just got turned on. That'll be at the end of the video. These are really good. Check that company out. Not sponsored or anything, it's just really good stuff that we just happened to stumble upon. We're going to be using our Pit Boss Austin XL 1000 today. Of course, we're going to be using Knottywood barbecue pellets. We're using the plum pellets today. I love Knottywood barbecue. You can check them out. We're going to get that on there. We're probably going to be rocking about 250 degrees. We're going to be doing a reverse sear, the Austin XL 1000. You can open that sear grate. So I'm going to bring it up to temp, maybe like 115. I'm going to sear it off, flame kiss. We're gonna slice against the grain, thin on an angle, and this flank steak is going to be amazing. All right, let's go. So we still have a fair amount of Knottywood pellets in there. We're cranking her up right now. This thing has just been a workhorse throughout the years. Pit Boss Austin XL 1000. This is like the older model. They have an even new one that's even nicer now. But in the middle, like I said earlier, that's gonna open up and we're gonna do the sear at the very, very end. So we'll start by getting it on at 250, reverse sear method. Beautiful rice-a-roni. Thermalworks spatula, you know where it's keeping it 1 million. Bring it to a boil, let it simmer. I mean, come on. Easy, simple, delicious. Sometimes the stupidest things are just so good. All right, we got her on at 250 degrees. This is gonna be a pretty fast cook. We just want to come up to temp and then we're gonna sear it off. Just merely 10 minutes in at 250. Holy moly, let's grab this. It's just a beautiful cut of meat. It's absolutely underrated. I'm gonna give it another couple of minutes. I'm gonna open that sear plate technology and I'm gonna finish it up. Always let it rest. That's a must. 10, 20 minutes, lightly. I feel like now is an appropriate time in the video that I have to say thank you to everybody on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everybody, especially our YouTube join button. Join button right next to the subscribe button on YouTube. Our Tier 2 and our Epic Tier 3 channel members on YouTube. We're gonna roll them on the screen right now. Thank you all for your support. Babe and I have this little YouTube, social media, barbecue, cooking hobby, and it's without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do it, so thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's continue on with the show. And all the YouTube videos that we've made, and we've made rice-a-roni a ton of times, people are like, what is wrong with you? Although we have a rice-a-roni video that's like one of our most popular videos. The fibers are running basically... So you're going to want to thin slice against the fibers because, like I said in the beginning of the video, flank steak is a fickle bitch. Okay, check this out, babe. So just a random couple of pieces. Okay.
This garlic is really good.
Oh, yeah.
So first we'll try this SC, is that South Carolina style, spicy barbecue sauce. It's a mustard base.
And, I mean, you got to remember that we marinated it in the TDs. Yeah.
That was really good. That is so good. Do you want to try it?
No, I want you to try the other one. That one, this garlic one is so good.
What did we have that on the other
That was
day?
like a little bit of that.
The garlic. That one's got kick to it.
Yeah.
All of their stuff is clean too, so they don't put any gunk in there.
You said they don't put any gunk in there.
Yeah, they don't do like all the preservative junk and
Yeah.
fake stuff. It's so good.
Yeah.
So good.
It's really good.
Like you can taste the difference between that
Oh.
and other sauces that are not.
No, it's
they're
really
just
good.
full of junk.
No, it's really good. It's really good.
Yeah, babe. Good job. It's nice and tender.
I mean, the marinade for 24 hours in the TDs definitely helps.
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, babe. Embers TV.
It's really good. Guess what else I have?
Oh boy.
No! Beef rice-a-roni! Yeah!
So gross.
No, how can you hate on rice-a-roni? I think the point of the whole video was to show that you could just make a flank steak and quick rice-a-roni on a weeknight kind of thing. That's what the point of the whole thing that I was trying to show.
An easy meal.
Easy meal. So, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Are you saying the prayer?
Sure.
Go.